24151. Oh, I gave that one. 24152, Glenda Smith, driver's license suspended. Let's have appearances.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. In your name, ma'am?
Glenda Smith.
Your
Is there
Honor,
law
there's a
files,
third.
counsel?
Yeah, there's a third count of improper lane usage. It's the same number except for the last number. It's ends in 82 instead of 81.
Well, the last number so far on the two that I have is 51 and 52.
Oh yeah, I see that now.
So what is the case number for the third ticket?
SP 124-23821.
Okay,
Yeah,
I've
there's a different number.
got that one. So what's the offer?
She was plead responsible to 1 to 5 speeding, reduced charge on the improper lane usage, and the other 2 cases to be dismissed.
All right, so the improper lane usage is on 821?
Yes, and that is a civil infraction.
All right,
Responsible.
all right, thank you. Madam Clerk, would you swear Ms. Smith in?
Yes, Ms. Smith, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes.
Put
You
your
can
hand
lower
down,
your hand.
ma'am. Pay attention to me. Put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are, or pleading responsible because you are responsible?
Yes.
Are you pleading responsible of your own free will?
Yes.
Do you understand that by pleading responsible, you would waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you are waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead responsible?
Yes.
Madam Clerk, let me have the date and time Ms. Smith was stopped.
August 25th, 2021 at 1:23 p.m.
On that date and time, Ms. Smith, were you stopped by members of the Detroit Police Department and issued violations?
Yes.
Counsel, would you voir dire your client on a factual basis?
Ma'am, on that date and time question, did you use the lane improperly, the driving lane?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find Ms. Smith responsible to ticket number SP 124-23821, which has been reduced to limited access 1 to 5. Per her agreement with the prosecutor, I'm dismissing ticket number SP 124-24151 and ticket number SP 124-24152. Ms. Smith, you owe us $200. How much time you need to pay?
2 weeks.
I'll give you a month, 36districtcourt.org.
Okay, and then can I ask a question?
What's your question?
So once I pay that, I will be able to get my license back reinstated, or how does that work now?
You have to go to the Secretary of State to get your license reinstated. Just let them know that you handled this ticket.
Okay. Okay.
So you have the ticket number. You need to write the ticket number down.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, what's the ticket number?
SP 124
SP 124
23821.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
you're
you.
free to go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right.
Hello, it says Jennifer Conoco.
Good morning.
Hi, who are you here for?
So I'm here for looks like Judge Christopher Potts. I didn't see that on the lineup though on the website.
That'd be
Okay.
Christopher Blount, I imagine. This was his court.
Are you an attorney, ma'am?
No, I'm not. I'm here for a
Why are
pre-hearing.
you calling here then?
I have a pre-hearing at 10 a.m.
Do you have a
Okay.
case number?
I'm looking it up, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
That's for courtroom 218. So
Okay,
the number you need to dial is 360-218-0000.
okay, thank you. I'm sorry.
Welcome. Bye-bye. Are we ready on any others, Attorney Faulkner? Because we've still got like 6 people to call.
Well, I'm still waiting for the city attorney on about 4 of them. What about Joseph Ellis?
Okay.
You have the offer? You might have
Yep,
sent
I
it.
sent you an offer on Ellis, Salisbury, Stevens.
Salisbury, Stevens, and Ellis. Okay, let me go. Let me get them out and work on them. Simpson. Six. Joseph Ellis. Okay. Salisbury.
Do you want me just to tell you what the offers are, Attorney Faulkner, with that?
Yeah, okay, on Ellis, I got it. There was only one offer, or only one case on the docket, if I remember correctly. And the offer is concerned with 2 cases.
Right, it's 1 ticket with 2 counts. SP 124-24791 and 2.
Okay,
And the offer is pleading guilty to count 2, no proof of insurance, and count 1 would be dismissed.
okay. Okay, Salisbury,
For Salisbury, it's
and Barber
she
Place.
only addressed count 1,
Yes.
and that was,
No insurance.
yes, pleading to speeding 1 to 5, and obviously the disregarding the traffic signal, she didn't agree, address, so,
Can we go from a misdemeanor to a civil infraction on the same count?
no, we cannot. So that means that I take that back. So she's wanting disregarding the traffic control device to 1 to 5. And dismissing count 1.
No insurance dismissed. 1 to 5 on traffic control device. Okay, and Stevens.
Pleading to amended, fail to display on count 1.
Okay. Let me go in. Who's count 3 or room 3?
That's Elias.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, Mr. Sales.
Yes.
We're still waiting on the prosecutor. It shouldn't be too much longer. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. I know that, I went to go in and talk to you, but I guess you weren't there, so. As soon as the attorney talks to the prosecutor, he'll talk to you, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, are you ready for Salisbury?
So I'm ready to go and see him. I still need the city attorney for one other case.
I know, I'm still waiting on her. Hi, Madam Prosecutor.
Oh, my apologies for the delay.
No problem. Attorney Faulkner will be right out. He just went into another room.
Sure.
I believe this is gonna be on, Jennifer Smith
Okay.
and Dwight Sales.
Are they in the breakout room with him?
He's in another breakout room. They are in breakout rooms though.
Okay.
And it was for documentation.
Jennifer Smith,
Yes.
is she a show cause or?
Nope, she's an arraignment on a bench warrant. She's at the very top of the docket.
Oh, okay. And who is the other individual?
Dwight Sales.
Dwight Sales. Okay, I see him. They both have. Okay, Jennifer Smith, could you do an SOS check on her, please?
Yes.
If it's valid, then I'm okay to dismiss.
Okay.
And then-
Attorney Faulkner is out here, so he can tell you who the other one is, because I'm not sure.
We got a few of them here. Whoops, in and out. There we go. Good morning.
Good morning, Attorney Faulkner.
Here's Chris. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay. Now we have Jennifer Smith has their dockets.
Okay, so that's a licensure one. Our court clerk, Dawn, is running an SOS check. If it's valid, I'm okay to dismiss. I heard that,
Jennifer?
yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Dwight Sales, no insurance. Does he?
Yes, he had the document.
Okay, could I go into a breakout room with you and him?
You may,
Okay, anyone else?
yes.
Ms. Sinago,
Yeah, Sinago,
Okay,
and then, I guess that's it.
okay.
I thought I had more, but let's see.
Mr. Sales, can you
Those
join
are
breakout room
completed.
7, please?
Sinago,
If you could put
Miss.
Mr. Sales and Mr. Sanago in the same breakout room with Mr. Faulkner and
Okay.
I'd appreciate it.
and maybe
Yep, I
Joseph
did.
Ellis in there also.
Okay,
I'm sorry, what was that, Mr. Faulkner?
Joseph Ellis.
Ellis? Okay, thank you.
Room 7.
yes. Mr. Salisbury, we'll be with you in just a moment.
this is Monica Conyers, that I am on 9:10 a.m. Superstation. So, I haven't been on the radio in a minute, so I gotta get everything together for myself right now. So I hope that you all are tuning in and listening and watching. We're gonna talk about a gamut of things today. I brought my special guest with me, my attorney, Pamela Campbell, and she's gonna talk about some things as well. We're gonna talk about relationships. My best friend, she talks about relationships on her show. And I think that it's mostly
Your Honor, do you want me to mute you?
what men have to say about some of these things that are being talked about. I'm gonna talk about politics. I'm gonna talk about the hair.
Hello, sir? Sir, can you hear me? Jamar's iPhone, can you hear me? Jamar's iPhone, are you there?
Yes,
Hi, sir, what's your last name?
yes, can you hear me?
I can. What is your last name?
Yes, Alexander. I'm sorry about the name. I have to change it for
Okay, so what is your full name?
Alexander.
Okay, we've got a really bad connection. I can't hear you.
Okay, I'm gonna try to move.
Okay, I can hear you now. What is your full name?
Kyle Alexander.
Your last name is Alexander?
Yes.
Okay, you're in the wrong courtroom. Let me see where you're supposed to be.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. You are supposed to be in courtroom 133.
Okay, I appreciate it.
No problem. Thank you. Your Honor, I muted you because I could hear your voicemail. Your Honor, I muted you because I could hear your voicemail messages, so I didn't want anyone else to hear it online. Yeah.
That signed document now because my son has to leave.
Oh, okay, thank you. Hopefully we'll be done here soon. They're in the room.
All right.
Madam Prosecutor,
Yes.
so Ms. Smith is valid. And I also ran Javante Stevens because I was assuming that you were going to want me to check that one as well. And he is valid as well.
Oh, I didn't know Devontae Stevens was up.
Yeah, he's one that Attorney Faulkner has not spoken with yet.
Okay, if he's valid, I'm okay to dismiss for valid documentation. Same thing for Jennifer Smith. Tina Sonogo, she's here in court. She is we're dismissing for valid documentation as well. And then the others, Mr. Faulkner is handling in the breakout room. I have to step into Judge Millhouse. Judge Smith, good morning to you. Is there anything you need from me?
Good morning, Madam Prosecutor. Happy to see you. As
Good to see
long
you
as
too.
take care of my house counsel, I'm happy.
Okay, sounds good. So I'm gonna text you my number if anyone needs it. Or sorry, Dawn, Dawn, you have my text. I saw your text.
I do.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll be back. I need Mr. Joseph Elias's SOS. He has some
Okay.
questions, and even after court is done, I think I have to review it with him so that I can answer any of his questions with him.
May I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay, so me being dismissed, like, did I get do I have any points or anything? Because that was my main concern.
No, but you
Okay.
will need to stay on the Zoom for Judge Smith to call your case and to place it on the record. So just stand by.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Ms. Sinago, if you could just mute yourself until the judge calls your case, that would be great. Thank you.
Okay.
Attorney
All
Faulkner?
right, House Counsel, the city prosecutor came on and said there's at least 3 people we can dismiss based on their having documents. Are you aware?
Yes, sir. I'm aware of Sonogo
Tina Sinago was one of them.
and Jennifer Smith, maybe.
Yeah, Jennifer
Yes.
Smith, and there was another one.
Javante Stevens is a dismissal. He has a valid license as well. You haven't had a
Stevens?
chance to speak with him yet. Yep, I just brought him out.
Okay, if it's
So
a
who-
dismissal, that's fine.
Want to start with Stevens?
Start with Stevens, that's fine, Your
All
Honor.
right. This is case number SP 115-02581. Javante Stevens, no operator's license. Let's have appearances.
Paul Fong, the representative defendant, your name, sir?
Javante Stevens.
Your Honor, it's my understanding the city attorney has recommended this matter be dismissed.
Thank you. Based on the representation of the House Counsel, I'm dismissing ticket number SP 115-02581. Mr. Stevens, you owe us a $25 House Counsel fee. How much time do you need to pay?
You said $25.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I could pay it on Monday.
Pay it on Monday, 36districtcourt.org.
Okay,
Thank you. You're free to go.
okay.
This is case number SP 131-91001, Tina Sinago. Unregistered, untitled. Case number SP 131-91002, Tina Sinago, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Paul Fong, the representative defendant, your name, ma'am? You're on mute, ma'am. Take it off mute. There you go.
Sorry, Tina.
That's okay.
Tina Sinago.
Thank you. House
Yeah,
Counsel.
it's my understanding there's a written the city attorney has made a recommendation for dismissal.
Thank you. Based on the representations of House Counsel, I'm dismissing ticket number SP 131-91001 and ticket number SP 131-91002. Ms. Sinago, you owe us a $25 House Counsel fee. How much time do you need to pay?
I can pay for it Monday as well.
Monday will be fine, 36districtcourt.org.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you. You're free to go.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a good day.
All right. I got, is it Jennifer Smith or Gunda Smith?
Jennifer, I believe.
Hello.
All right. This is case number SP 120-25161, Jennifer Smith, driver's license. Let's have appearances.
Paul Fong, the representative defendant, your name, ma'am?
Jennifer Smith.
Your Honor, it's my understanding the city prosecutor or city attorney has made a recommendation for dismissal.
Ms. Smith, do you have all that background noise going on where you are?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going to leave out.
All right. Well, we'll be through with you in just a minute, Ms. Smith. Just a minute.
Okay.
Based on the representations of House Counsel, I'm dismissing ticket number SP 120-25161. Ms. Smith, you owe us $25 House Counsel fee. How much time do you need to pay? Okay. Hopefully she'll come back, find out when she's gonna give it to us. All right, thank you, House Counsel.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't know about Mr. Salisbury or the other Smith.
Sales, we have sales, SAILS.
Yeah, you want to do him?
We got something asking for a short adjournment for him to get proper paperwork. We need
All
a
right,
week.
I've got to find it, sales. What page is sales on? I don't see him.
Page 1, Your Honor.
I see him. This is case number SP 125-02881, Dwight Sales, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
White Sales.
Your Honor, my client needs to get a receipt showing he made a payment on his insurance. He thinks a week he should be able to bring it in. I just asked this be adjourned for 1 week.
All right, Madam Clerk, let me have an adjourn date for a week for Mr. Sales.
June 30th at 8:35.
June 30th, 8:35. You get that date, Mr. Sales?
Yes.
All right.
Same
come
Zoom
back
number.
here.
You're free to go, Mr. Sales.
Free to go, Mr. Sales.
Ms. Smith came back.
Why are you back? Oh, $25.
Hello, I'm sorry, you guys.
You owe us $25, Ms. Smith. How
Okay.
much time do you need to pay?
I'll go down there and pay it today.
You pay it tomorrow, 36districtcourt.org.
Okay.
Thank you. You're free to go.
Have a great day.
All right.
Salisbury's out. It's not guilty.
Okay, you want to go to Salisbury?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, Salisbury. Let's see. Where is Mr. Salisbury? I don't see him on these I know he's here somewhere. What page is he on?
I'm looking.
Page 2, Your Honor, under 845.
Oh, okay, I got him. Thank you. This is case number SP 123-77881, Yankee, Salisbury, no insurance. Let's have appearances.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir? You're on mute, Mr.
Mr.
Salisbury.
Salisbury, unmute yourself. Give me your name. I can't hear you because you're muted. Unmute yourself and give me your name.
Yeah, King Salisbury.
Thank you. House counsel.
Paul, Your Honor, my client is pleading not guilty. Question of bench trial date, early as possible.
Madam Clerk, let me have a pretrial date for Mr. Salisbury. I'm going to remove his show calls since he has showed up today.
August 25th at 8:35.
August 25th at 8:35 for your pretrial, Mr. Salisbury.
All right.
Thank you. Come back then.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam Prosecutor said that she still needs to speak with Mr. Elias, but she had to go to another courtroom, and that's the last one that we have.
Oh, okay. And what does she want to do with Mr. Elias?
Well, I'm not sure what she wants to speak to him again to go through everything, and she might be able to help him out today or might not be able to.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, we can wait for her to come back.
Thank you.
Just put yourself on mute, Mr. Ellis, and be patient. I guess the rest of us just got to be patient too.
Yes, I guess we do.
Mr. Sales is the one that needed a 1-week adjournment, correct, Attorney Faulkner?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, well, I'm here listening to everything when she comes back, so.
Okay.
No, get down, get down. Madam Clerk, did you get that document?
I did, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Madam Clerk,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Elias is a show cause.
Yes, sir.
I can give him a new pretrial date.
Yes, but I believe Madam Prosecutor requested to be able to speak with him. I guess there's a problem or concern with his,
Okay, well, just let her know that she has everybody sitting here, and that's the last case, and we're waiting.
Yes, sir. I will send her a
All right.
message.
I'll give her to 11 o'clock, Madam Clerk. At
Okay.
11 o'clock, I'm gonna set another pretrial date for Mr. Elias.
Yes, sir. I sent her a message.
You better go on about your business. No, go on. Go on.
Mr. Elias, I'm going to put you in the waiting room while we wait, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Your Honor, do you have a puppy or a cat?
I'm sorry?
Do you have a puppy or a cat?
Oh, you talking about the dog? You can see my dog?
Well, no, I just hear you telling him to get down, so I was just
Oh, yeah,
wondering.
that was one of my animals.
Aw,
He's not a puppy. He's maybe a year and a half.
okay. What kind of dog?
Oh, I have one that is some sort of poodle,
Okay.
and then I've got a German Shepherd, and
Oh,
then I got a Belgian Shepherd, and then I have a pit bull.
Whoa.
you have a full house.
Yep, I have 4 dogs and 2 birds.
What kind of birds?
I'm surprised you haven't seen them flying around.
What kind of birds do you have?
They're parakeets.
Aw.
Oh, they like to sing.
I only have 1 dog, but
Well, I mean, I can understand that. My dogs are keeping me alive.
yes.
I'm
That's
up
how
at, I'm up every morning at around 6:30 to take my dogs out.
Okay.
And I think that's what's keeping me around.
They help. I got my own little dog.